Hello friends, today we are going to do an experiment called jellyfish. In this you need a jellyfish. We'll tell you how to make it later. And you need some water in the bottle and also the jellyfish. Then you need to squeeze the bottle and the jellyfish will go down. And when you pull your hand, loosen the bottle, then the jellyfish will come back up. Now how to make is, you need a straw, bend it, and you also need 2 paper clips. Take one paper clip. In this there will be 2 pointy things. Put one of them in one hole of the straw and the other one in the other hole. Then you can take one side or this point thingy, put it here, and you're done. When you squeeze the water fills the straw with water, making it heavier and sink. And when you release, the water comes back out, making the jellyfish float.
Can you show one time close up so that I can see the water entering the pipe?
Okay.
Okay.